Welcome to DigitalBix Fashions. Are you looking for a snuggy and warm winter jacket? There are various brands in the market that offer affordable winter jackets in various designs, patterns, and colors. We have brought a list of the 5 best brands for winter jackets in India. Number 1. Woodland Jackets. Woodland is a leading men's winter jacket brand that manufactures apparel of premium quality that is durable and equally stylish. Woodland produces leather winter jacket for men with a perfect fit and finish. Number 2. Tommy Hilfiger Jackets. Tommy Hilfiger was founded in 1985 by an American fashion designer Thomas Hilfiger. Its trendy styles and wide range of color combination have made it a top brand among the youth. Number 3. Puma Jackets. Puma winter jackets give you that subtle athletic look for an active and casual appearance. It is the most loved brand for people of all ages as it comes in all sizes and vibrant colors. Number 4. Calvin Klein Jackets. Calvin Klein Fox leather bomber jacket that has zipped pockets to interior pockets with zipping through a brand collar. These winter jackets with dark blue denim to impress and make compliments come your way. Number 5. Monte Carlo Jackets. Monte Carlo Jackets trendy casual wear jacket with a buttoned collar that gives the body complete protection from winters and also arms up your style quotient. These are the best jackets, models and brands in 2022 in India. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to DigitalBix Fashions.